Hey guys, welcome to another decorating video. So tonight I'm gonna get a quick video on my 30-foot pine tree, which a few weeks ago before Christmas was finally complete. We hit the top, I'll zoom in there, we completed the entire tree in lights. Now the whole thing's not littered in lights, but I kind of went in sections on it because I feel like it looks better. And I know there's a bit of a gap there in the middle, but it still looks phenomenal. You can see it from the highway. You can see it over on the other hill. Like, it looks amazing. Yeah, so this beautiful Pennsylvania pine tree, it's 30 foot tall and it's about 30 years old. So I've been waiting a long time to complete this tree. It's a major success. Finally, in all these years of decorating. On my social media, I think the quote I had was, after 11 years, the tree is complete. I think that was like my saying for this light display, actually. I think that was like the overall quote this year. After 11 years, the tree is complete. Like, that was my quote. And I know I said I'm working on some other pine trees, which I'll get a video of at another time, but you can see those on my other social media as well. So I'm gonna walk around to the back side of it so you can get a better look at it. Jack. So going around the back here. And the lights, they're not necessarily any certain, I don't want to say direction, but I didn't set them on like swagging or straight. Like, I kind of did them however they wanted to go. They really made the choice how they look. You just got to work with the lights as you go. It's not going to get perfect, as you can probably tell, but it still looks excellent. Like, it's not a typical look you'd see on the lights. Like, you'd expect them to be like really tight or perfectly swagged. I didn't want to do it. I kind of wanted it crazy like this, which I think adds to the beauty of it. There's pretty much the peak of it right there. Probably zooming in and focusing it actually makes the lights harder to see. There we go. Now it's better. So that's the back side of it. That's some other parts of the display over there. So I just wanted to get this quick video on this tree. So pretty much it took a couple years to complete this thing. I only did a bit of it last year in the display for 2017. I knew this year it was a goal to finish it, and that was like that was the first thing I wanted to do before anything else, and it finally got done. So I'm very proud of myself. And let me walk around to the front so you can see it way up close. Now, like I said, there are 4 other younger pine trees. They're about 15, 16 years old. And one of them is lit up as of tonight. I decided to light that up for winter. It wasn't lit up originally on December 24th when my Christmas display first began. First lit it up tonight, LED blue. And that'll be on as long as it's up now for the remainder of the time. Here's the front of it. Zoom up, there's the peak. And the tree is complete. All right, thanks for tuning in, guys. I plan to do more decorating videos a lot more frequently and more often. Hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like the tree. You can see some of my other work down in the back, which I'll try to get videos of. Probably not tomorrow night, but maybe sometime in the next week. All right, thanks for tuning in, guys. Have a good night. Bye-bye.